A good investor must be able to control his emotions so that he can make logical decisions. If not, he would be prone to make haphazard moves that might expose his portfolio to bigger and unnecessary risks. You can say that the prices of the company stocks in the market is a picture that mirrors the collective emotions of the investment community. A prevailing worry over the investors about a company would drive its price down. A company's stock price tends to gain when the majority of investors feel positive about it. When stock prices are not moving as well as you expect them to, or worse, in the opposite direction, you can become tense and insecure. Should you then sell your holdings and prevent losses? Should you hang on to the stock and have faith that the price will recoil? Should you buy more? The amazing thing is that even when things are going as you expect them to, you still become emotional. What if the price falls? Maybe I should sell now. What if the price continues to climb? Maybe I should hold on to my stock longer. These thoughts will come, and they will come more often if you keep checking the price of a security. The bad thing is, they could create undue pressure that may push you to take unplanned steps. Most often, when you use emotions as the driver of your decisions, you are susceptible to making a mistake. What you should remember is that before you buy a stock, you should have a valid reason for doing so, and a reasonable expectation of how its price will behave. At the same time, you must already predetermine at which price you will sell your holdings, more so if you find that your basis was wrong in the first place, or the price behavior isn't anywhere near your expectations. What we're saying is that you should have an exit strategy before you buy the security, and then, no matter how it feels, you should execute and stick to the strategy. Investing in stocks? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them with us in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube to get more free financial educative videos.